Welcome to the Species List Report tutorial. This is Ashley
and Chaz
with the VGS dev team. This tutorial will walk you through how to generate a species list report within VGS. A species list report summarizes species recorded by site or folder.
Before generating a species list report, a site or folder must be selected. On the main toolbar, click Reports, General, then select Species List. The Report Options window will open. By default, species are displayed as scientific names. You can include common names and species codes by selecting the boxes next to those items. If desired, an alternate species common name list can be displayed. Please see the Common Name List tutorial for more information.
Next, select the grouping level. Reports can be generated at 3 levels: All, Folder, and Site. Selecting the All level will provide one list of all the plants contained on all sites in that folder. Selecting the Folder level will display species grouped by folders. Selecting the Site level will display species grouped by individual sites.
To generate the report, select Run Report. The report preview window will open. The species list report is organized by database hierarchical structure. The folder path is listed in a heading, and the folder or site names are listed in bold under the heading. At the site level, you can also access the species list report from the Reports menu in the Site window by clicking Reports, Site, then Species List. To learn how to save or export your report, please view the Reporting Options tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS dev team at vgs.arizona.edu.